Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to see how you can enter purchase invoices in QuickBooks in the quickest way possible. So if you want to join this full course or get the QuickBooks services, you can contact on this number. Alright, let's get started.
Our next entry is of 9 January 2018 and transaction is purchase following items from Mr. Majid. This is a new vendor. Transaction is same, but we need to enter a new vendor only. So on the home tab, we will go in enter bills option, and here I'll show you the quickest method of entering a new vendor. Just mention the vendor name, click tab, and it will show you the option that you don't have this vendor in the list. You can quick add it. So simply select quick add. Another short way of doing this is mention like ABC vendor. Let me clear it. ABC vendor. Just enter and enter. Means if you enter 2 times, the new vendor will be added. If you want to mention the details for that vendor, then you have to manually go in this vendors option and then select the vendor by double clicking it and mention the other details. But just for the transaction purpose, you can quickly add from there only. So just right click and delete the ABC vendor. This is extra. Let me just go back, enter bills. Our new vendor is Majid, and under the items tab I'll enter this purchase invoice. This is exactly the same as we have done before. 12,000 is the rate, 600,000, and tab Civic headlights. Quantity is 30, rate is 35,000, and total is 1 million something. Suzuki filters. Quantity is like 100, 250 is the rate, 25,000 is the total, and transaction is of 9 January 2018. Now let's consider that the reference number for this particular purchase invoice is 1002, although it's not mentioned, but we are considering by ourselves. Okay, you can see that the date of entering the purchase invoice is 9 January 2018, and it will be booked as a credit purchase invoice, and automatically it detects the payment date 10 days after the entry date. That means it will be due on 19 January 2018. That is exactly 10 days after we have entered the invoice. You can mention the memo or details of this transaction and then simply save and close. If you want to check the backend effect of this entry, you can save and new, go back to the original entry, go to reports tab and check the transaction journal. You will see the backend journal entry of it. Just close it, and this is how we will enter the purchase invoice using a new vendor.
So that's it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.